So guys, I checked my YouTube in the morning and I realized that I was given a warning, more like a strike. So after this warning, the next one will be a strike. And they said it is because my content violates the sexual and nudity stuff. That's what they said. More like I posted something that is sexual and that contains nude, which of course my content does not contain any of that. But eventually, if you also receive a strike or a warning from YouTube, sometimes these things are given by their bots. It is not a human being that is giving all the strike. So once the bots just recognize something, your content might not even violate that policy that the bot says, and they'll just give you a strike. So the purpose of this tutorial is just to show you how you can appeal the strike and also remove it. So the very first thing you want to do is you come to your channel dashboard. As you can see, it's right here: channel violation, active community guideline, strike. So first thing first is for you to take their training. Once you click on this, you'll see where you have to take a training, which I have taken already. Do you understand? So I've taken the training. So just ensure you take that training, because if you don't take the training, the warning will remain on your channel almost forever. So but if you take the training, after 90 days, they'll remove that warning from your channel. I'll advise you that within these 19 days, ensure you are very careful with what you post so that you don't get to receive another warning. The second warning you get to receive becomes a strike. And once you get 3 strikes from YouTube, they are going to terminate your account. So you can see the reason they gave right here. They say it is nudity and sexual content that I violated that. And you can see I have completed my training right here. So with this training, it means that this warning will be removed from my channel. Today is March 23. That means by June 23, this warning should be removed from my channel. Like I said, ensure you take that training so that you get this warning removed from your channel. So once you're done taking the training, so you have the privilege to appeal to YouTube. Do you understand? You can appeal to their strike or to their warning to let them know that you are aware of what this thing is all about, what the policy is all about, and that you do not violate it. I'll be showing you how to go about appealing a warning so that you will get to like remove this warning from your channel. You will get to remove this strike from your channel. So you should see something like appeal strike. So for me, let me check this. It comes to where you have take action. Do you understand? So over there you should see take action or appeal strike, one of those two things. So just click on take action. Once you click on it, then right here they'll show you where you have to like take the training, of course, or appeal their strike. So I already took the training. So this is the content right here, which is still on my channel. I didn't delete it because I don't want to lose the views that the video got for me. So down here you get to see where we have take action. So once you click on take action down here, you can see training completed on March. Your warning will expire June 21. Can you see that? So right here you can see they say appeal decision. If you think we made a mistake, you can appeal. We will take another look at your content. You can appeal even after taking the training. Are you seeing that? So once you appeal to this strike, then a human being will get to check if truly you violated the policy. You know, the first time I said it is a bot that issue all this strike to people, issue all this strike to YouTube channels. So the second time, once you appeal, a human being will get to like check if truly you violated the policy. And if you did, they'll get back to you. But with this format I'll be showing you, you are guaranteed to get your strike removed. So just follow what I'll be typing right now. In fact, I'll put it in the description so you get to like copy it and edit it so that you can use it for your own purpose. So I already have mine on my clipboard. I'll just paste it, then submit. So let me click on paste right here. So can you see? I just pasted it. I said, "Hi YouTube team, kindly help me review this warning. I am knowledgeable about the YouTube policy and I had no intention to violate your policies. I didn't talk anything sexual, none did I show nakedness. Thanks for your understanding." Can you see that? Then I'll go ahead and click on submit appeal. I'll leave this in the description so that you can copy it for yourself and also send it to YouTube. But before you send it, ensure you edit it so it gets to like relate to whatever violation they said you violated. So I guess you understand that, right? So let me click on submit appeal right here. Once I click on submit appeal, then this gets to submit for me. Can you see? We will take another look. Thanks for your input. We will send you an email when our review is done, generally within 72 hours. To check the status, go to your dashboard and select the channel violation card. So just come back here after 72 hours and you get to see that the strike has been removed. So that's basically how you go about removing a strike on YouTube. So I believe you got value, guys. If you did, ensure you like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.